Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the Introduction to Cloud System course. The topic of today's class is a cloud-based AI service. I chose the topic for today because cloud computing and AI technology are driving our industries and innovations. How many of you guys are familiar with cloud and AI? If you believe you have understanding, please raise your hands. Oh, great. We will explore cloud and AI service using cloud technology. By the end of this module, you are expected to explain the definition and fundamental principle of cloud computing, classify its models, understand the AI and machine learning, and explain the concept of AI as a service and its benefits. How are the three images different from each other? Let's compare the characteristics of swimming pool types. Private swimming pool has exclusive access with high maintenance cost and limited facilities, but you have to pay even if you don't use it often, right? Shared swimming pool is used within a group like a residence with adequate facilities and maintenance costs moderately. The expenses are shared among users. How about water park? It's open to everyone. It has various facilities and services. It's a charging entrance fee, right? You don't need to pay if you don't go to the water park. Why do you think I'm mentioning swimming pool types here? The reason why I talk about swimming pool types is that the cloud computing is like water park. The cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. It relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and typically uses a pay-as-you-go model like water park. It has three main layers: infrastructure, platform, and application, with various applications and services in the cloud. Let's take a brief look at the history of cloud computing. In 1950s, John McCarthy introduced mainframe time sharing, enabling multiple users to access a single system simultaneously. ARPANET implemented TCP/IP-based internet and distributed computing. In 1997, cloud computing was defined as a service provide computing resources over the internet for the first time. In 1999, Salesforce started their service using software as a service cloud service model. Amazon launched AWS on-demand cloud computing service for the first time. 2020, the global cloud service market reached $266 billion, indicating rapid growth and adoption of cloud computing. Let's talk about the benefits of cloud computing. First, reduced IT costs. It lowers the main management and maintenance expenses by using service providers' computing resources. Scalability. It enhances scaling of operations and storage needs without manual upgrades. Business continuity. It protects data and applications to maintain their uninterrupted operations. Easier collaboration. It facilitates near real-time collaboration for the geographically dispersed users. Faster backups. It streamlines data backup and recovery without capability issues, prevention of data losses. It ensures data availability even during the hardware failures. The cloud computing can be classified into three types of deployment model: private, public, hybrid, and it also can be classified into service models: infrastructure as service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and service software as a service SaaS. Let us talk about types of cloud deployment models. Private cloud is a single tenant implementation owned and operated by IT organization. It allows define their own data management policies. It offers self-service automation capabilities that provide new agility. Public cloud is a multi-tenant implementation owned and operated by a service provider. It's bound by multi-tenant data management policies, offering similar self-service and automation capabilities like a private cloud. But hybrid combines private and one or more public clouds, allowing IT organizations to become brokers of services, leveraging the strengths of both private and public. There are, as I mentioned before, the cloud computing can be classified into several cloud services. On premises, it's like owning your own car. You own your infrastructure for IT systems, which means that you should be able to for all aspects of maintenance and management by yourself. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, it's like leasing a car. You use the cloud for infrastructure needs to avoid costs and responsibilities associated with owning the physical hardware. PaaS, or platform as a service, is a kind of taking a taxi. You can choose only destination, but the taxi is not yours, right? So I can say that you use the cloud for both infrastructure and platform needs, simplifying the development and deployment process. How about SaaS? SaaS, or software as a service, is like a going by bus, where the destination is already predetermined. You use the cloud for software, including infrastructure and platform. The cloud computing market is flooded with several cloud computing platforms. However, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google stand out as the three leaders according to market-leading survey institute Gartner's report. Before we move on to the AI using cloud technology, let me explain briefly what AI is. The dictionary definition of AI is that it's a computer program that has human learning ability, reasoning ability, perceptual ability, and understanding ability of natural language. It's a computer system with intelligence and artificially demonstrated human intelligence in machines. Artificial intelligence has machine learning and deep learning technology. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, which involves the systems to learn from data, enhancing performance without explicit programming. Machine learning includes various algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, random forests, etc. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which uses layered neural networks to find intricate patterns, excelling in tasks. Deep learning uses neural network-based algorithms like ANN, CNN, RNN, GAN. Let's explore machine learning and deep learning processes with an example of vehicle classification case. Look at the machine learning process diagram on the screen. They start by collecting images of different vehicles. The features like shape, size, visual characteristics are manually extracted. The features are put into the machine learning. The machine learning processes the features and classify the images into categories like a car, truck, bicycle. How about deep learning process? Deep learning process. Look at the deep learning process diagram on the screen. They start by collecting images of different vehicles. This case is using CNN algorithm. CNN automatically learns features from the images during training. It learns features like edges, textures, shapes, and identifies and classifies automatically with associated probabilities into categories. It classifies images into categories: car, truck, bicycle, with the associated probabilities like 90% of car, 3% of truck, 2% of bicycle. Artificial intelligence integrate cutting-edge components and applications to complete intelligence system for various tasks in the wide range of fields. It has machine learning, speech recognition, vision recognition, language processing, expert systems, planning, and robotics. What are the benefits of artificial intelligence? First, it has mistakes fewer than human. Second, it operates and performs the tasks without 24/7 without breaks. Third, it makes decisions based on the data analytics with free from human biases. Fourth, it process information faster, enabling quick decision making. Fifth, it can perform the tasks reducing dangerous tasks, reducing the human exposure to risks. Six, it can enhance and improve diagnostics and patient care and treatment plans with the AI technology. Lastly, AI can do recurring tasks, so people can focus on harder jobs. Now we know the key advantages of AI adoption. So we have a question, right? Why aren't all of companies adopting AI technology? We can get a hint from a case, from a study conducted by NASCOM and EY 2022-20 with 500 CEOs and CIOs. 56% of participants pointed out low external ecosystem maturity. 53% of the business leader reported inability to quantify ROI. 40% of them stated that talent shortage is a key hurdle in implementing and scaling AI solutions. 47% of the participants said that AI explainability as a primary reason for holding back AI-led decision making. So, how can it alleviate concern about adopting AI technology of business leader? AI as a service can address key hurdles of adopting AI technology. AI as a service is a cloud-based model where third-party providers offer ready-to-use AI tools and AI services. It can allow organizations deploy, develop, train, and manage AI models. It spans across the three main as-a-service models: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, which aligns with the general as-a-service cloud model. CSP, Cloud Service Provider, handles hosting and maintenance, allowing organizations pay on the basis of usage with the pay-as-you-go monthly or yearly subscription. The global AI as a service market size, it was evaluated $6.3 billion in 2023 and is expected increase at 155.31 billion in 2032, and it's anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 37.78% throughout the period from 2023 to 2032. Let's talk about the benefits of AI as a service: scalability and flexibility. The AI as a service offers scalable solutions that can be adjusted to changing demands. Customers are changing demands frequently, right? So scalability and flexibility is very important. Cost savings. It enables organizations to save on costs associated with developing and maintaining IT infrastructure, especially AI infrastructure. Better productivity. Organizations can use pre-trained AI model and various templates of AI as a service models. So it enhances better productivity. Lastly, improved decision making. It offers powerful analytical tools that help organizations to make data-driven decisions. Let's go over some key applications and services of AI as a service. Organizations can develop chatbots and virtual agents with ease, easier than before, which are using natural language processing technology and algorithms to train from customer conversation and providing adequate responses timely. By using cognitive computing APIs, developers can add features, add them to their applications so that applications so they don't need to write machine learning code from scratch. Companies can build custom models without the need to understand complexity of algorithm with machine learning frameworks and managed machine learning services. They can add rich machine learning capabilities to their business functions or processing using templates and pre-trained models. And also, on top of them, organizations can organize and store data efficiently with data labeling and classification to discover critical insights from their data. Each cloud provider offers a robust suite of AI services custom to different needs. AWS of Amazon, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, all of them has similar products each other in terms of machine learning, image recognition, speech, natural language processing, big data analytics, chatbot. Amazon charges costs by the hour, while Microsoft and Google charges per minute. Organizations can choose the best AI service providers that help them to enhance the productivity and meet their requirements on the basis of pricing and their products. Before I enter this module, I mentioned the learning objectives. Do you feel like you achieved the goals today? Okay. If you have difficulty to understand what I listened today, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. See you next week.